you might think he's upset, but he's really not. He's actually really happy. Okay, well, I don't know about that one.
Liam. Liam. Hi. Are you talking? Are you talking, Liam? You talking? Anything else you'd like to say? Is that a good hand? Mm-hmm. Say bye-bye.